Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Time and money to have the best experiences out of your life. So in today's video, let's discuss about resting and how in today's culture of celebrating overwork and putting over and above your efforts, and which might lead to overburdening yourself and might lead to exhaustion, is being celebrated, and no one is caring or talking about resting yourself so that it will help you in the long run. But overwork, where it's pushing the boundaries and impacting someone's mental health and physical health along with person's happiness, is something to look out for and to be very careful about. So in this video we'll quickly see why should you rest and which are the key points that will help you and which will indirectly help you to be much more beneficial in the long run and grow yourself as a person. So first and foremost, it's needless to say, it helps you to rejuvenate yourself and lead a much more clearer and better life. That is the stress that you might have accumulated during the day or during the week. Rest helps you to overcome that and helps to ease down the negative aspect or negative burden of these stress, as well as negative impact of these overworking and overburdening yourself. And second point is resting is beneficial for both your mental health and physical health. Many studies have proven that rest is very quintessential and necessary to each and everyone's life. Again, I will link down few articles for you to go through on this. Let's just say you overburdened yourself and overput, let's say 150% of what max you could handle, and because of which, let's say you were able to finish 1 month's work in 20 days. But if this overworking impacts your mental and physical health, then the whole other 11 months in a year will be affected. And just because you overburdened or stressed yourself such that it is impacting your mental and physical health, then such cases will truly be devastating for your entire year and rather for your entire life, and it can harm you. Hence, resting is very much important to ensure that your mental and physical health is restored, along with various activities that you can do to ensure that your mental and physical health is restored. There's various ways that you can do to ensure that your mental and physical health are restored or made much better than the earlier stages. Again, on this case, you can contact professionals or read through few articles if you think that you are at a very good stage and need a little more enlightening. But if required, do contact professionals on these matters. And third reason why resting is very important is because it will help you to improve your creativity and productivity. Ensure to check out the video that I have done, which will help you to understand a little more deeply, which will help you in a long way. And because of resting, it will help you to give enough bandwidth, especially mental bandwidth, so that you can bring in your creative juices and come up with much more innovative ideas and implement it, so that your creativity can be enhanced and which can impact your overall life and plus how you implement things. And similarly, productivity is in such a way that, again linking to the earlier points, once you're in a better shape both mentally and physically, your productivity can improve drastically. That is, let's say because of stressfulness you are not able to give 100% of your efforts, even though technically in time manners you are giving 100% and output was not increased or was not effective as earlier. And because of resting, it will help you to give much better outcome, which will help you in increased creativity and productivity. And fourth point is it will help you to build up fresh ideas. So because you have that mental bandwidth and mental peace and space, you can think about much more creative ideas, and not just creative but much more earth shattering or business decisions and ideas can be taken while you are on resting stage. That is, because of resting you can think both aggressively as well as calmly and come up at a much more a clever idea which will help you not just in short term, medium term, but in long term to help you build your life the way you wanted it. And fifth point is it will help you to enhance decision making ability plus capability. That is, because of resting, your mind is free and you are able to take much better decisions. Ensure to check out the video on decision making that I have already done. So resting, you can think as a key or rather a fuel for having effective decision making, along with the points that I have already covered, be it in terms of various aspects to consider, various alternatives and various risk reward ratio, etc. In the similar way, resting will help you to arrive at that and think much more cautiously and look at various other alternatives. And all the points that I have already listed, this can be impacted and much more cautious decision can be taken because of resting. And last but not the least, it will help you to have a much more clearer vision, plus along with that help you to realign how you want to build your life. Whether you like it or not, life is both short and long. That is, you have a limited number of days on this earth, and along with that you have a substantial amount of time that you would want to utilize it to the best possible ways, that you have experienced and lived your life the way you wanted it and not on someone else's term. And as the saying goes, if you don't work on your dreams, someone else will make you work on their dreams. And this is true, because if you do not rest and have a realignment of what you want in your life and clear visions, goals. So someone else will make sure that you work on their goals and their goals are met. And you might be lost in that process if you don't have clearer goals, and you might be someone at a losing end. Even though for outside world it might look like you have achieved X amount of things, the reality is that so internally you might be really lacking in what you wanted and how you wanted to live your life, and actually miss out on things that you actually wanted to try and give it your best shot. So with this, I think this has been a really helpful guide and a reminder to ensure to take rest and rejuvenate yourself so that you can lead a much better and healthier life, so that your time and money can be used effectively to have the best experiences out of your life. Ensure to like, comment as well as subscribe down to the channel and share it with as many people as you can and spread this word and build this community. With that, I'll see you soon.